What's going on, guys? So today we have a little issue within 2018 F150. All it is that the turn signal has gone out. So I'll show you real quick. On the 2018 F150, you have two bulbs here and here. Both of those act as brake lights as well as turn signals. So if you have either one of these go out, the top one or the bottom one, on your dashboard, when you put on your indicator, it will start to flash quickly to let you know that one of the bulbs is burnt out. So in this case, our lower bulb has burnt out and we're going to be replacing that. But since we have to do one, probably means the other one's on its way out as well. So we're just going to do both. And then since we're doing this side, just so everything's in sync, we're going to do the other side. So I'll show you guys what you need and we'll get this bulb changed. Alright guys, so all you need to change the tail light indicator bulbs on 2018 F150 is a 8mm socket and a pry tool. That's pretty much all you need. So I'll show you real quick what we're going to be doing here. We have two screws, one here and one down here. So those hold the tail light in place. Once you take those off, there'll be three like plunger pieces, one here, around here, and then here, that just hold the tail light in place. So all you have to do is take those off and then you can pull straight back and it'll pop out. The reason you'll need the pry tool is because they kind of stuck, they never get taken out. So you'll put the pry tool back here and you'll be able to pull it back and it'll pop out, and then you can just pull the rest out with your hand. There'll be a connector you need to disconnect to remove the tail light from the harness, and then you can work with the tail light freely on the bed of the truck. So once you have those two screws out, now you can just grab your pry tool. You can wedge it into the back part of the tail light. Grab a light and show you. You can wedge it right here, and then you'll be able to pull it back on here, and it'll pull the plunger out of here. You can do the same thing down here, and you should be able to pull the tail light straight out. Popped off. So now right now it's being held by the wiring harness. Here. There is a clip right there. So you just have to grab that, pull down on it or push down on it, and then it should be able to just pull off. And once you do that, the tail light is free to work on. Alright, so from that point on, you do this bulb and this bulb. This one's your reverse light right here, so you just take it. It's a simple twist. Once you twist it, it pops out. And bulb's exposed. So grab the bulb out if this is your bad one, and pop in a new one. They just push straight in, you'll hear a click, and that's all you do. Put it back in. Put it back in. Twist, locks into place. That's all it is. You're going to take your tail light, reattach this clip to the one inside the truck. I'll show you that real quick. It's kind of dark. So then you're going to reattach your tail light to this clip right here. There's only one wiring harness, so it just goes straight into this one here. No big deal. And you have to pop these plungers back in place. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you line up each one with the 3 spots on the body of the truck. And before you do that, make sure you clip this in. So take the clip from the truck, and that's probably the easiest way to do it. Slide it in. So you hear a click. You can tug it on a little bit, you'll see it won't pop back out. And then just line up the plungers. make a somewhat unpleasant noise. Take your screws, The line back up into the holes. Your ratchet. Go until it gets a little bit tight, then you're all good. Taillight's in place. Alright, now that the new bulbs are in, you can see that all four are flashing just as they're supposed to. You just go to the other side, all four are flashing. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll bring any more repairs or reviews to you guys soon.